one thing I keep on getting from people are they're scared to build lists using Facebook. Well, I can show you something so easy to do, to how to build a list using Facebook ads using my strategy. This is free training for you to go through and get the same kind of results that I'm getting. One thing I'm asking you is do not copy my ad copy. Do not do that, because if there are copies of the same ad everywhere, then nobody's gonna win. Okay, and just change words around, use the same technique, and you'll get results. A lot of people don't know what they're doing online. The first thing they do trying to use Facebook ads is they try to spam, and that gets them into trouble. And I'm here to show you one easy way to build a list. A list is very important in your business. Without the list, you have no money. The people think coming into this business that it's so easy that you can make money the next day. Well, that is true. However, it's not true for the new people coming in. Basically, if you don't have a list, you're gonna have to build that list so you can start making money. It's not all about driving traffic directly to the offers and things that you're trying to promote. You really need to build and just nourish this business that you have, instead of doing the overnight thing and trying to find the easy way out. I get comments of people quitting this industry because they haven't seen any money come in. And I can only guarantee that the only reason you're not seeing money come in is because you were never focusing on your list. You were never focusing on nurturing the list, basically giving them value and just engaging with your list. All right. So in this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do to build the list. And then what you need to do later is basically give value to that list so you can make money in the long run. We're not talking about giving them as soon as they sign up, start bombarding them with offers and stuff. That's the one thing you don't want to do. What you want to do is get them on your list, give them the whatever it is that you're giving them as a gift or report or whatever, and then in the next following weeks give them something of value. If it's not yours, if you don't have any training, or if you haven't created anything like that, go out and find some and share it with the people that you think will help them. Then while you're doing that, and then you gain the trust, then you can start promoting whatever it is that you want to make money from that niche. Very simply said, that's all you need to do. So in this episode right now, you're going to learn how you're going to be able to grab, emails for the cost of 0.58 cents. All right. And we're talking about targeted leads coming into your email account. This is from yesterday. I turned this on yesterday, and I've been just really working this. This is great. I've just created one ad for this, and I'm going to take you through it so you understand what I'm doing. So what I wanted to do here is target the dropshippers, eBay, Amazon, people that are doing dropshipping and e-commerce. All right. So I came out here and created an ad. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what this ad is. I'm going to show you who I targeted, how I targeted, and everything basically that has to do with this ad. Just give it a second for it to load. So we're inside the ad, and what I chose was traffic. I wanted to drive traffic to a landing page that I created. And what I wanted to do is give these dropshippers a solution to a problem that I know is going on. And basically what I'm saying is, if you can't find any profitable items to list on eBay, Amazon, or Shopify, then we have something to give you here. There's a report that was created by Geek Beasts. Now, Geek Beasts are a company that I'm working with as a CMO. So I'm building their networking and everything like that. I'm helping them build their business. At the same time, I like to test out things before I actually have the business work on whatever it is, so we can drive traffic through Facebook ads or other means, etc. But for my case, because I'm doing dropshipping as well, this is an excellent chance for me to use that report and gain a list and build a list for dropshippers and eBay and everything. So what I did yesterday was I created an ad where I'm saying if you're a dropshipper and you're having problems finding profitable items to list on eBay, Amazon, or Shopify, why don't you download our just released latest free report on the top super hot selling categories for the month of April 2017. So what this says is, you know what, guys, I got a solution for you. Go ahead and download this report. It was done right now this month. I'm being as real as possible. At the same time, I never had a page on Facebook for Geek Beast, for example. So while I was creating this ad, I just created a new ad page from here. All I did was add a profile pic, named it, said what it was, and then just created this ad right here. All right. So what I did here was I went out and created with Igloo my page that I'm going to be using for the people to land on there. Okay, so I created this page, so I have people come in and put their email and so they can download it. Okay, now this report is real. It's not something that I went out and bought or whatever. This was actually created and will be created every month for any e-com users, etc., this and that. By the way, if you are eBay, dropshipper, etc., Amazon, go ahead and click the link below. It's the Depopper at ebook. You'll see it in the links below. Go ahead and grab the report, see it for yourself. It's powerful. It gives you all the top super hot selling categories, etc., for the month. Now look, if I was scrolling my newsfeed and saw this, I'll probably go ahead and download. Okay, so what this does, it takes them to the page, my landing page, where from this page I'm grabbing the emails. All right, I'm using Igloo to create my landing pages. By the way, if you don't have an autoresponder, which you should have, Igloo also allows you to grab subscribers from its own database as well. So you can grab emails through the database of Igloo, whatever. Very powerful. You can grab this link from the links below as well. But listen to the story here. So you got to understand, where I'm not, as you can see here, I'm not spamming anybody. Also on the page, make sure you have a privacy disclaimer, etc. underneath. It's Facebook policies. You need to have that. All right. And basically, I'm telling them what they're gonna get, and this is what they're really getting. I'm not spamming anybody. I'm not being on. You know, it's all real. All right. So I did that, and now I'm gonna take you to how I targeted this. And it's very easy. You shouldn't overthink the targeting, but you need to be a little bit logical in the way you think of, you know, building a list. As you can see, my audience is at 300,000. Okay, it's not at 1 million. I'm not doing 2 million. I'm not targeting everybody. I'm doing this basically targeting the 5 top tiers plus. Since I'm in Greece and Cyprus, and I know there's a big industry in the e-commerce business, I added Cyprus in here. So I'm doing 25 and 45, right? It's a sweet spot right there for people that are highly active in this industry and know what's going on. All right, and plus then I have my detailed targeting here where I have done three things. I broke it down on 3 things. 1, online seller, BigCommerce, dropshipping, etc. You can see all the little things here you can use. Then I just did eBay and Amazon, like targeting, like all these people need to also be, you know, having to do with eBay and Amazon, and then everything else has to do with whatever e-commerce, blah blah blah. Got it to 290,000. Okay, and then I went and said desktop only. I want people that are sitting on their desktops and they're clicking and surfing or whatever. I left everything as is, saved, and that was it. All right, now the campaign is going great. Now the reason why it's going great is because I'm getting leads for this varies. As the more I'm gonna leave it on, this is probably gonna go down to maybe even 0.25 cents. I've seen crazy numbers like that. All right, so I'm gonna take you into my Geek Beast subscriber list. Okay, yesterday I had a lot of subscribers, etc. Let me see, Geek Beast. Okay, 6. So I've got 7 subscribers. All right, from the whole thing, and I want to show you here that I had 10 clicks. So from the 10 clicks, 7 subscribe. That's really good. That's really powerful. All right, and this, you just turn it on and that's it. Leave it. So you're building a niche-based list for your business with Facebook this easily. I mean, I didn't promote any garbage. I'm not promoting any promising you 6 figures the next day. I'm promoting something that people need and want. So when they see it in the news feed, they're going to want to click it and they're going to get it. All right. So this is how you would build a list using Facebook ads. Like I said, it's very easy to do. Just be logical in the way you're writing things and don't sound spammy. Make sure that when you create your page and people sign up, what I like to do is I like to take them to another page. So if somebody puts their email and clicks, it should take them to a thank you page, where on this page I'm making sure that they're going to open up my email. So I'm telling them, look, please check your inbox or spam folder for your free download. See, before I did this video, I had people clicking on this link to download it directly. What that done is that it didn't help open up my email, like the follow-up that I was sending out. People weren't clicking on that, and that's not good, because now they're never going to see my emails. All right, so what I wanted to do is make sure that the email they're going to be receiving, see, I want to show you, it's only 10% open when it should have been 100%. So I changed that right now, and I added for the, as soon as they get to the thank you page, please check your inbox, etc. And I'm offering other products as well through my thank you page. You never know, you can grab, like, you can hit all the, somebody could come in and go through everything and buy everything. You never know. So you can make a lot of money through just using your thank you page. So this is really powerful information that I'm giving you right now, that you can go out and start creating using Igloo, using Aweber. All right, Aweber, Igloo, and what else do you need? That's basically it, and your Facebook ads that you're going to be creating. All right, and the offer that you're doing. So just make sure that you're following the policies. That's all I'm saying. Don't get your Facebook account shut down. But if you did get your account shut down, you could go out and create another account. Create 2 or 3 accounts to have 2 profiles. You can do that, all right? And create a business account for your ads manager. It's easier to control everything through there, and you get a little bit of extra privileges, I guess, using a business account. It's very easy to do. Just follow the directions, etc. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how to build your list with just getting like 0.58 cents a click. That's less than any solo ad vendor out there is doing for you, and it's quality leads coming from people that you're targeting, people that are going through those pages and stuff that you're giving them. All right, so thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this training, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace out.